I'm getting worried that South Africans are becoming more xenophobic than patriotic because I'm looking at the feedback of, Romanda Hombier winning Miss World South Africa and people questioning her nationality and being worried that we're going to be having another repeat of Chidima Adetshina again here in South Africa, who, by the way, is challenging her deportation, but that's a story for another day. Back to Hombier. I'm seeing that people are questioning it, people are pissed, people are angry, and worst case scenario, we find out that it's another Adetshina situation. Not to say that it is, quote me correctly, but let's say that it is. You guys expect me to be angry at a pageant competition instead of being angry at the lack of government oversight that made whatever situation is going to happen possible. We all gathered for June 30. I was supposed to take a day off for my safety because my workplace was worried. What if you get caught up in the, crossfire because people were going crazy? It was that deep. But then that same energy is going to be nowhere during election times. We're getting ready for our municipal elections where we can actually start making a difference and actually have a say towards how we are governed and how things run in this country. Starting off with your municipalities. And people can't do that. Instead, they want to get onto social media and start speaking. And that's why I say that we are becoming more xenophobic than we are patriotic. Because if we were truly patriotic, we would be focusing on the